welcome back to the lesson where we are going to talk about some creative ways to write your headline. Yes, you heard me right, girls and boys. I'm sure you have been waiting for this lesson, and that's the reason we are here today. So come, let's talk about some really amazing ways to bring and write suitable headlines for your LinkedIn profile. So the first step is to define your unique value. Remember in the last session also we talked about defining your unique value, right guys? It's important to define your unique value, as LinkedIn is the platform where you are selling yourself, right? You have to sell yourself means that you have to sell your skills, you have to sell what you've done, you have to sell your achievements, and you have to give the other person a reason to employ you or to take your services or whatever XYZ it is. The idea is not to impress but to get some really good results out of your connections and your followers. So here we go. Let's look up to the first headline that we have. So the first headline and the easiest template that I would like to give it to you. So guys, these are all ready-made templates. You can use this template and believe me, this looks wonderfully good. And if you go and look at some LinkedIn profiles, you would find that a lot of people, they kind of have used such phrases and such statements in their headlines, and it looks really appealing. So the easiest way to do is that start by asking yourself a simple question. I help people dash. What do? I help people learn the non-technical skills. I help people to learn tech skills in the simplest manner. Whatever you do, okay? Let's say you're an engineer and you love talking about technical stuff. But then maybe you love talking to people about technical stuff. So I help people to know more about data science, to know or to learn more about mechanical engineering. It's okay. That's what you can do as a student, right? And my approach is different because, and you add a value for your statement. For something that you've just mentioned, you have to add a value for that so that the other person can quickly buy in your point and you have sold yourself. And that's a great thing. Come on. So let's say there's an unemployed graphic designer. So unemployed graphic designer would not write actively searching for jobs. No. What am I going to write here? If I'm an unemployed graphic designer, I'm going to say graphic designer 1. Okay. Motion animation can be the second one. Third is to help companies create images that lead to more conversions and sale. Look at this amazing point. So let's say you guys are engineers. You can also say that I help corporates automate things, or maybe, because you know better about what engineering is. So look at one point that can define, and that's how you guys are going to make it up. Then we have an unemployed marketing manager. Digital marketer, PPC, Facebook ads, Google ads, analytics help companies scale their lead generation with low CPAs. Looks like a brilliant one. However, if you go and check out my profile, I've not written this particular statement because I've got a lot of keywords that I really want to be in my headline. So I want people to be very clear with the idea that Shivangi ma'am does IELTS coaching, language training. So all in all, I'm a executive communication coach. So I wanted to put it across very simple, having different keywords. So that's amazing. Yeah. So this is one. You can look at the pictures that are there. So the pictures say, I turn founders and executives into LinkedIn video creators. PM me to learn more. That is personal message me to learn more. But I kind of not prefer to have this here till the time you're a creator or you're like a big thought leader. You can simply just write this way. And instead of writing follow me for my more content, I would rather say that since you guys are beginners right now, don't add all of these things. Make it simple, crisp, and precise. Does that look good, guys? Here's another picture that you have. Yeah? Bingo. Let's move on and look at some important points that we have and what are we going to say and what are we not going to say. So look at some do's and don'ts. Avoid random statements such as seeking new opportunities, open to transition, seeking summer internships, actively looking forward for project manager role, or actively looking forward for engineering roles. Nah. No, nope, nah. Whatever language you understand, you will not write this. Why? Because these things would definitely not bring you any kind of value. Why? Because they look very, very bad as the first impression. And second, people don't search as in they don't write, okay, let us know who all are jobless. If a recruiter starts searching who all are jobless, he would get millions of results, right? So make it very to the point. Again, SEA model, searchability, approachability, and your clickability. So please focus on that and you will do wonders. Come, let's look up to the questions. Now, what are the important things that you need to remember and you need to answer? 1, what is your background? What is your background focused in? So are you an engineering student, a data science student, a marketing engineer, or maybe visual communication, whatever you have been into? So this is the first thing that you need to do. The second is, what courses have you been taking? So what are the courses? What all courses you have taken? What all information you have? What all certifications you carry? Add it there. What have you been certified in? Is there any particular thing that you have been certified in? Let's say I am like a British Council certified trainer. So I kind of brag about it because I know people search British Council certified, IELTS, like that. If people want to search, I can say I'm the most powerful profile LinkedIn 2020. I have been awarded as one of the most powerful profiles of 2020. I can brag about this achievement because I have been certified. What education projects are you working on? If you're working on something, you can say that I'm helping companies maybe get better results currently. So you should always keep on adding those things, again, not in big statements because you don't have a lot of characters to write. So make it short, crisp, and that's how you're going to do it. Does this look good, guys? Take a moment, have a look at it, and in case of any questions, park it because I have a lot of things to cover. So yeah. Cool, guys. So that's about it. Yeah. Let us look at some examples of LinkedIn headlines. So yes, here you go. Let's say you're a data scientist. Yes, look at it. Let's say you're a data scientist looking forward for a job in healthcare space. You're looking forward for a job in healthcare. Number one. You're a data scientist. Number two. You ran your job description through word cloud, and here's what you got. So word cloud, remember I talked about the tool? Amazing tool. You all can use it without giving it a second thought. It's a good idea to use word cloud if you think you're not good at making and doing many things that I've given you already. If you think that going on word cloud can actually suffice that, but then you have to do research. Even if you want to upload it on word cloud, directly writing engineering would not fetch you anything. You have to actually update a file that contains certain words and then you have to paste it. So it's better you do some research and then kind of make a guess, or you can use the word cloud. So these are the keywords that the word cloud has given us. It says data science, data scientist, healthcare, big data, and then readmissions, patients. That's how it goes. Look at it. Data science, healthcare, 2 keywords. Okay. Now let's look at the actionable pitch. 2 things. Keywords. So as a trainer, my keyword can be anything like trainer or corporate trainer. So anything on those lines would work out. Does this make sense, guys? Are we all good to go? I'll show you more samples, but I want all of you to first look at this, take a moment, frame your own LinkedIn examples. Headline examples, I mean.